I just returned from vacation, and today I wanted to take a look at what ended up being my vacation EDC. This is specific for hot weather. I was down in Florida for 7 or 8 days, and it was in the mid 90s every day there with just about 100% humidity. Now, we were by the beach, so this is specific for that type of an environment. When I get hot, I get uncomfortable when I have all kinds of stuff on me. So the normal EDC gear that I carry every day, I abandon pretty much everything because I just can't bring myself to do that in hot weather. So let's start down with a stripped down version of the keys. Just a car key, earplugs, because I did do some work down there for my family in their house, and I did need the earplugs, and I always like to have some kind of a pen on me. I carried these in my right front pocket underneath my knife. For my wallet, this is one of the ones I make. This is on my Etsy store, which is lcknives.etsy.com. Very thin, very lightweight, minimalist wallet. Holds everything that you need. I carried this in my right front BDU pocket. I wear shorts that have BDU pockets in them. So they're kind of like cargo pants, the shorts version of cargo pants. For a flashlight, I carried this MSR D3AA. This has 3 Nichia 519As, which are at a temperature of 5,000 Kelvin. This is an awesome light. You can see the glow. It has auxiliary lights. I have it set that those auxiliary lights will change colors according to the battery voltage. This will also run on the standard AA battery at a greatly reduced output. The output of this light on the 14500 lithium ion, which is 4.2 volts, is 1540 lumens. So this little thing packs quite a punch. I left with it fully charged. I used this a lot on the trip, and when I came back, it was still at 4.1 volts, down 0.1 from 4.2 volts. Just incredible battery life. They optimize the driver on these things. This is an incredible light. If you need a small, lightweight EDC light that is very capable, I highly recommend this. But these are semi-custom lights. You have your choice of LED. I would highly recommend the Nichia 519As at 5,000 Kelvin. Great light. And for the pocket knife, I carried this knife from Tactile Knife Company. Now this is very similar in size to a Benchmade 940, just a hair longer and just a hair longer blade length. It is very thin. It's actually a little thinner than a 940. A little taller this way. Great knife. It's got a nice texture. Let me bring it up by the microphone. It's got a nice texture on the G10, so it is very grippy. So when you're hot and sweaty, this makes for a great hot weather carry. And this knife is in Magna Cut. So this makes a great knife because we were by the beach and we went to the beach several times. So great corrosion resistant steel. This is run at 63 to 64 HRC. So this knife is done right. Just an excellent knife. It has your access style lock. This is stainless steel. They do use heavier duty springs than Benchmade, so these should be even more reliable than Benchmade springs. All the hardware on this knife is titanium. Thumb studs, and you can see here, that's even titanium. You do have what looks to be a stainless screw in the middle of a titanium ring. All the screws, standoffs, everything on this knife is titanium. So, very lightweight, very thin. You don't even know this is in your pocket. Grippy, just an awesome hot weather EDC knife. I used this a lot when I was on vacation because, like I said, I did work in my family's house. I used this to cut my food. I used this to open boxes and packages for, like, I repaired a few toilets. I repaired showers, so all the parts were opened with this. I just used this knife extensively while I was away, and it seems to be just as sharp as it was before I left. Incredible knife. My phone was carried in a belt case. I'm using that to record with. And of course, you need some kind of hat. This is a nice fold up wide brim hat, and this folds easily. and can be stuffed in the BDU pocket. So you have a nice hat for protection from the sun, but you also can get rid of it so you don't have to carry it around if you don't need it. And then, of course, sunglasses. You have to have those in a hot, sunny environment. So that's it. That was my vacation EDC, scaled down and lightweight for hot weather use. We'll see you on the next one.